Here at the shop today, getting ready to drop the shift kit in, B&M shifter in. Just a quick tour around the shop so you can see where we do, what we do. Tools laying everywhere, all of our wax, paint, sprays, whatever. Spare parts, junk, you know, we got it all down through here. Down the side here, you know, we got the torch, cherry picker, old school stuff. All the original parts we've been stripping. Yeah, we got a little bit of everything around here. That's the pit. Roll the doors up and go in, go to work. Homemade old-fashioned stuff. Welding setup, old school. The spread laid out right there. Grab what you need. Typical stuff you'll see in a makeshift shop. You know. And this is just something, you know, from working on our own vehicles. All the oils and fluids. We do not work on cars. Just our own private vice. Drill press, grinder, a little bit of everything in here, man. There's so much stuff in here that's covered up, you know. But this is where it all goes down. Just thought I'd do a little video so people can see where we do what we do. Pretty sad considering today's technologies, but hey, if you're good with your hands, you can get it in. Use what you got. So that's it. Drop this shift kit in and B&M and see what happens.